I'm going to continue on with the Forester. I just deleted my last few files accidentally. Alright guys, just had to put some oil in the Skyline, as every other V35 owner knows, and a little bit of power steering fluid too. Alright, in this episode we're going to be dealing with intercooler piping and intake. So manifold will be coming off, stay tuned. Alright guys, trying something a little bit different with the microphone, hopefully it works. Alright guys, before I put you on the tripod, I'll just take you through what I'm doing. I'm going to take this silicone coupler off and to here. So we're going to be taking off this whole section, and then we'll get to getting the intake off the manifold. I think that's a good view for you guys. Alright, so need some straight blade. I'm gonna go get some gloves. Ooh, mighty car much just for another video. But let's get this done first. Guys, remember, got the boost reference there too. That'll probably go back in that spot. Alright guys, I probably will not actually take the manifold off while converting back to single. I'm going to let the car down so it's a bit easier to work on. I've done everything under the car that's needed, I believe. So bring that down so I can work on it a bit better. I'm trying to find power steering, high pressure power steering line. Goes from the bottom of the reservoir. It's not high pressure, the low pressure one. It goes back into the steering rack and pinion. So then this will get disconnected here, and I'll slide the silicone one in. So I believe this Cobra comes off quite easy. Well, that makes it a bit easy to work on now. So get this Cobra off. It's quite easy. Should come off relatively easy. It's hard to get on, so it should be easy to get off. One day, it'll come back. So much fluid down here. Mess with power steering. Yeah, it's red. Power steering. There's something we need to address there. Power steering coming off. Just move it out of the way. Put a rag over the end of it. And get the silicone back in. I hope this works. There we go. Alright. Cram it in, boys. Forgot to take the oil feed off. Alright, boys. The oil feed is off. Got the bolt in there. And let's keep squishing this through. Alright. Cool. So silicon's on, so that's block breather there, which eventually I'll get that to another patch can. And got this breather. That's alright. Oh. We got it vented. Alright, boys, so I've got the intake on there. I'm going to put the airbox in and see if somehow I can route intercooler piping around it down through the guard. I think I've still got the mounting hardware in it. Got one. Wow, there's a problem already. Right, I'm going to put that back to where it was. Alright, looks a bit weird being back there, but hopefully we can sort something out. Alright, so I'm going to put the water line on now. I just started locking up intercooler piping, and as Turbo Yoda says, can't fab around something that's not there, so make sure that I put everything that needs to be around that area there, so we can work around it. Lost a little bit of coolant there, a lot, but got that on there. Yeah, we're going to start routing the intercooler pipe. Alright, boys, been playing around here for a little bit. What do you guys think? Probably have to get another one of these so it holds onto it properly. Let's see what we can do. It's not hitting on the brake master cylinder there. Yeah, coming through there. Just have a straight shot with this straight piece, and I'll have the pickup for the boost because we no longer have the nipple there. Yeah, what do you guys think? Still got the stock airbox, and yeah, that should still allow us to rotate the manifold if we do choose to. Alright guys, back from lunch. Damn, it's cold, but let's get back into it. So there's couplers here, Put some longer ones now that we've rearranged stuff. So they can go in there. We'll try to find another one for there. For now. Yeah. We'll chop this down so we can put it into the piping there. So there we go. There we go, boys. You're right there, WD-40. Chop that pretty much in half. Fits in there. So we've got that boost reference there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. So what I did here was with the 2-inch piping, I just squished a little bit in the vise, and we could slide it in. Cool. I don't think I've seen any other forester do this before, so hopefully it's one of a kind of, if you know what I mean. Sweet. This battery's not lasting long on the GoPro anymore. Alrighty guys, I've got the intercooler piping routed, got the intake done, I've got this bracket back on as well guys, got the boost controller solenoid thing, it's my exhaust valve there. So, I'm going to leave it here guys. Thanks for watching. There will be one more episode on putting this back to single turbo. So I do need to pull that intercooler pipe off and clean it up. And we'll get her started again. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked this episode, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.